on, guys? How you doing? Today we're going to be doing a little upgrade to the M5. My M5 of course has the stock chrome kidney grills. Gone back and forth a bunch of times, and what I kind of realized is this is one of the few chrome pieces on the car, and I'm normally not a fan of chrome. Normally I have sportier cars that have just probably black accents or carbon fiber accents. Obviously carbon fiber is not really an option here. I think it looked really weird, but you guys can see black grills on the M3 right behind here. So anyways, we are going to do some black grills on the M5. Of course I have carbon black, so we'll have black grills on a black car. So anyways, I'm gonna show you, actually I went a little bit different of a route this time. I picked up some F10 M5 Style black gloss grills. They were from Amazon. There's a few guys that recommended this site from Amazon, and I already protected them. I put some Geon trim on them, so obviously black plastic tends to swirl a little bit easier. I did put a coat of Geon trim on here just in hopes that it keeps them looking a little bit nicer and not as dirty, and they don't get swirled. I know what you're thinking. You might be a little triggered because this is an E39 M5. How dare you put black grills, let alone F10 M5 style grills on? And to that I say, it's a good thing it's not your car, because I think it's gonna look cool. I've seen a bunch of pictures and it's different, and I don't see a lot of cars that get a lot of attention that have these on it. They're all very stock, and stock to me is boring. I'm gonna try these. If I hate them, I'll switch them out for something different, but I definitely just wanted to change it up. It was only 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. These things are amazing, but let's get into it. It's gonna be very simple. First thing you have to do is pop the hood. All right, guys, so you can either use a screwdriver or sort of one of these prying tools. I'm gonna try these because they're a little plastic and a little bit easier to work with. And all you have to do is separate this little white tab, which is not showing up on camera yet. So this, you just literally have to pry up like that, and then you want to push the grill up, which it's already being pushed up. So there's two on the bottom, two on the top, and then one on each side. We're gonna get to it. Okay, so this one came out entirely too easy. I did do a little research, but I can't tell if this is broken or what, but that came out extremely easy. And then this one, I did remove, these tabs, and it kind of sandwiched it in there. Came out way too easy as well. I guess that's kind of why you see some cars with grills missing. But anyways, we're gonna put these to the side. All right, so as you guys can see, the sort of the inner part of these grills are pretty disgusting, so we're gonna clean them up really quick. I got some all-purpose cleaner. I like to spray it on the towel. I'm just gonna use a finger like this. Okay, we're just gonna put some rapid wax on here. Use any little basic sealant. It's not gonna make a big difference, but whoops, just to keep it a little nice and protected, might as well just do a quick little once over. All right, so I'm literally gonna try to pop this in just as it is and see how it fits. That was a very good fit, I'll tell you that. Looks good. And then this one's a little tricky because you have the hood latch, so hopefully they took that into consideration. I'm not sure if it should go on the outside. Let's see. We're gonna sandwich it on the very end there and see if that fits. There we go. Alright guys, so as you can see, both of the grills are in and they fit really well. The only thing I'll say is that this one has a little bit of space right there, and I think that's because the hood latch is in there. Like when the hood is open, it fits a little more snug, and then once I close it, however the hood latch is positioned kind of puts a little pressure on it, and it pushes that edge out just slightly, which sucks because I want it to look as OEM as possible, kind of, you know, given what we're dealing with here. But with that said, they are $30 grills. I think it's a really nice improvement for this car. I'll have to give you guys some glamour shots, but it actually looks really good. You know, like a lot of the M5 guys were yelling at me for doing this, but you know what? I actually think it looks just as good as I've seen in pictures, you know, on a black car, and then it has more detail, you know, just because there's double, you know, the double slats instead of just the single, and it's not chrome, which is a big upgrade as well, in my opinion. Oh man, guys, looking good. Here's what they look like from a little further away. You can't really see the gap on that left kidney grill on the passenger side, but man, oh man, I'm digging it, guys. I'm digging it. Let me know what you think below. I think it's a really nice refresh look. Don't mind the dirt on the side. That's actually from leaves. That'll be blown off the car very soon. But wow, amazing. Let me know what you think below.